Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue our look at the 2002 Grade 10 math contest put out by the University of Waterloo. It's the Grade 10 multiple choice contest, so it's the Cayley paper. And we're looking at question number 4. If n is 5/6 of 240, then 2/5 of n is... Okay, so there's two ways we can go about this question. The first is we can figure out, well, n is 5/6 of 240. Well, what is n? And once we have n, then we can take 2/5 of that. Or, what we could do is say, well, what do we want? We want 2/5 of n. So that's 2/5 times n. And what is n? Well, we have a substitution we can make for n. n is 5/6 of 240. Once we do that, well, now we have a single number we can compute, but more importantly, this 5 and this 5 will cancel each other out. And we'll be left with 2/6 of 240. But of course, 2 is even, and 6 is even. They both have a factor of 2, so we're left with 1 and 3. So really, we're looking at 1/3 of 240, which is the same as 240 over 3. And 240 divided by 3, we quickly compute, is 80. Okay? This saves us actually having to compute what the value of n is. It's not going to take you too long to actually work out what n is. It's just an extra step that we don't need to do. Okay, so here we have 80. So our answer that will bubble in on our sheet is going to be B. Okay, so that was a pretty quick question. Out of curiosity, what would n have to be? I think n would be 200. So if you did it that way, just a little bit of confirmation for you, n is 200. So that would have been D. But we weren't asked for n, we were asked for 2/5 of n. And that's most certainly 80. So join me in the next video as we take a look at question number 5.